Here are 12 muscle building foods for beginners to include in their diet. Chicken breast. Lean chicken breast is an excellent source of high quality protein, essential for muscle growth and repair. Eggs. Eggs are packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential amino acids. They are also convenient and versatile. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and provides calcium for muscle contraction. It can be a nutritious snack or a base for smoothies. Quinoa. Quinoa is a complete protein source, offering all essential amino acids. It also contains complex carbohydrates and fiber. Salmon. Fatty fish like salmon is rich in protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and healthy fats, supporting muscle growth and reducing inflammation. Lean beef. Lean cuts of beef provide high-quality protein, iron, zinc, and B vitamins necessary for muscle function and recovery. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates, fiber, and vitamins A and C, providing sustained energy for workouts. Brown rice. Brown rice is a wholesome source of complex carbohydrates, offering energy and essential nutrients for muscle building. Oats. Oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates and fiber. They can be consumed in various forms like oatmeal, overnight oats, or added to smoothies. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in protein and contains casein, a slow-digesting protein that can help prevent muscle breakdown during periods of fasting. Almonds. Almonds provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They are a convenient snack option for muscle growth. Mixed berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants and provide natural sugars for energy. They can be enjoyed on their own, in smoothies, or added to yogurt. Remember, while these foods are beneficial for muscle building, it's essential to have a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Additionally, consider your individual calorie and macronutrient needs based on your goals and consult with a registered dietitian or nutritionist for personalized guidance.